Elmo. Okay, from.
Huh?
Say hey, Elmo.
Hey, Elmo. Okay, call me later, okay?
Okay, Kanye.
Love you, bye. I just did this little painting for the quick.
And Andrea.
Sienna. Yeah, go ahead and hang up. Oh my gosh, it's so dreamy. So hard to open at first.
That's what she said.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for sitting back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so we are on day 3 and today is the day to finish the filming room. I'm so excited and I don't even want to ramble too much, guys. Y'all know who I am by this point. Well, if you don't, I just introduced myself. So let's just hop right into the video, shall we? Yesterday we left off at me putting the curtain over here. Now we have to do it on this side, fill the rest of these up, and fill up the rest of the room. So yeah, let go. I do wish this was matte, but we'll get a different one later. It'll work for now. By the way, I'm using 27 curtain rings on each side in case anyone cares. And the tablecloth is 55 by 94. And I just took it long ways, folded it until it got to the length that I needed to kind of cover the area down to the floor. And yeah, that's all she wrote. And of course, the tension rod works just like any other tension rod, like have you having a shower. You just adjust it to the length that you need and kind of squeeze it in so it's good and snug in there. Great news is folding this in half is actually the length that I needed. So that's easy. So hard to open at first.
That's what she said.
Kind of pull this out to find the center. Split these in 2. And then you just fill it in. Okay, and we're done. I like to use a longer length than what needs to be there because just like regular curtains, it creates like pleats. So yeah, and I honestly could have put 2 on there to make it even more of a pleat, but I don't want to put too much weight on there and have it tip over my head. This side is done. This side is done. So let's get to styling these shelves. Okay, so the secret is out. We all know that usually when you see somebody styling shelves really fast is because they already did a rough draft. And I've done a rough draft. This was just for dramatic effect. Okay, so I'm just gonna play a little bit of music and let you guys watch me work. Enjoy.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No ma'am, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out for me. High and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out for me.
So this space right here looks really empty to me. So I just did this little painting for the quick. And we're gonna take a command strip and put it up there.
She like the bar with the big old chains.
Okay, so now that the shelves are done, I want to do let's do the lamp first. Actually lamps. I decided to do my Zara Home floor lamps in here because I haven't used them yet and I just think they're so pretty. I did have, if you remember, it was like a leaning mid-century modern type lamp over here, but I feel like 2 lamps on the side would be a vibe. So let's do that.
Right around town in the big old rain.
Okay, we love that. And it just gives off the perfect amount of light. Let's turn them both on. Oh my gosh, it's so dreamy. Okay, so now let's do side tables. So I definitely want to do my glass top side table. Actually got 2. I found another one a few weeks ago. So I want to see how a little bit of symmetry would look here. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't want to do 2 of the same side tables because we have 2 of the same lamps. So I'm just going to use this other side table that I got from Crate & Barrel that used to be over here. So yeah. And plus I don't feel like putting that one in storage. So we're going to use that. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Oh. That thing looks small, but it's solid and heavy as crap, like crazy. So I think I like 2 different tables on the side, just so it's not so uniform, you know? Okay, let's do like a little bit of styling here. I don't want to do a lot because it's just so pretty on its own, so I don't want to cover a lot of the veining. We'll probably just do a few pieces. Okay, so all I did right here was I cut a piece of this off to kind of tie it in on this side and give it a little bit of life because it's right by the window, you know? Super cute. And I just put this miniature lamp right here because it actually gives off pretty good light. And in case I don't want to have this over my head shining, I can have this on the table.
Dust like a magnet. I knew it when I rock big old chains. Not a little doing big old things.
I was going to keep this vessel right here because it ties in the vessels that are on bookcases. But I feel like there are too many cylindrical shapes going on right here. So let's try something a little bit different. It's giving the wall, but in a pot. I actually like that better. Let's add some greenery.
"20 minutes later."
Emma, again from
Huh?
say hey, Elmo.
Hey, Elmo.
Say how you doing, Elmo?
How you doing, Elmo? Okay, call me later, okay?
Okay, Kanye.
Love you, bye.
Andrea.
Sienna. Yeah, go ahead and hang up.
Would you look at that? I came back for it, just to get to you, like you asked for it. Man, that thing in them jeans too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught off the backboard. I told her, baby girl, come here. Know I run the town even when I ain't from there. And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your making one, yeah, that's unfair. But so is life. Take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's overpriced. Don't overthink, just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night. Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know it's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one-night stand? Well then, let me see you get.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. So happy with the progress in here. Hopefully you enjoyed as well. And tomorrow, let's see what we get into. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourself, so surviving and your mental health. And I will see you guys tomorrow. But until then, peace out. But it's your world, on my mark, you go, girl.